Nathan! What? Come, I found something. It's like a box. What kind of color is it? It's just brown. Just come. Look. Just a box. Let's open it. Let's just open it. We should open the box.
No, I think it was trash.
Let's just open it. Wait! Give it back, Nathan. Oh my gosh, what is that? See, Nathan, I told you, look! What is it? I don't